enough to detect danger early, but not so large that movement becomes chaotic when it is time to move. No commands, no vocal leadership. This formation emerges from habits repeated across generations. Here, raising young does not belong to a single individual. A female capybara lies on her side in the grass, and it is not only her own offspring that approach. Other juveniles in the group push in to nurse, without any resistance. This system is known as alloparenting, shared care of the young. It exists for one very simple reason. In this environment, the largest individuals, including Capi, take the outer positions. They are the first to encounter any threat emerging from the forest edge or the waterline, picking parasites from his fur. Capi remains still, without reaction. This is not friendliness. It is a simple exchange of benefits: fewer parasites, reduced physiological stress, a body kept in a stable state. Capi leads the group down, slowly, without avoidance. He drops down right beside the crocodilian. This image is often misunderstood. This is not recklessness, and certainly not friendship. Crocodilians are ectothermic. At midday, when they are fed and basking, their reaction speed drops significantly. An attack at this moment costs more energy than it offers in return. Capi does not assess the crocodile by species. He assesses it by state. In the water, where he can swim and dive, risk is far lower than on land. Where another predator, faster and fully alert, may still be active, his ears rotate slightly. A short, rough sound is released. Not to call others, but to trigger reflex. This time, there is no chase. The jaguar emerges from the forest edge, choosing the exact moment and position. The group breaks formation and rushes for the water, but one younger individual slips, failing to reach the safe zone. Everything ends very quickly. Intervening now would only increase losses, and the capybaras do not attempt it. Beneath the dark water, heads rise one by one. No calls, no unnecessary movement. They wait until the threat fully withdraws. The next morning, Capi returns to the same patch of grass. Traces still linger in the air. A foreign scent clings to the wet leaves.